Hey there, pyros. Just thought I'd show a few things that I picked up from the plug the other day. Got these little Roman candles right here. I don't know how many shots they are. But yeah, I got these Roman candles from an alien. Some of these little apple bum brush crackers. He threw in some snaps. And the Stars and Stripes assortment. Now this assortment is an oldie but goodie. Throughout the years, it hasn't changed very much, but I mean, there's still some good stuff in here. You know, so this is the beginning of the stash, or one of them. Planning on making my trip in a few weeks, so let's get into it and see what's going on with this assortment. What we got here. All right, we'll start from the top. This pack of stuff shoved in there pretty good. Ooh, this thing has a little weight to it. Some world class and boomer stuff in here. This is a Thunderdome. Showers and Sparks. There goes your Performance. Boom. This is Greeting, Colored Chrysanthemum, Sparks, Performance. All right. And then we got Mad Max, 7 shots. There's your Performance. All right. Missile launcher. Let's see that there's a Performance on. Oh, there it is, right there. All right, that one. And there's this little guy, Happy Fountain. Yeah, this one doesn't really have a Performance on it. Yeah. All right. This one. A little cool little Saturn missile right here. It's like a little 25 shotter. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. I don't know what those do. We got Pip Squeaks, a little bent up, but whatever. Performance. All right. All right, next one is Wonderland from Boomer. Showers of Sparks, Flames is a hybrid, as you can tell. It doesn't really weigh a whole lot. Like it's just one tube in there. And then whoa, this one weighs a little bit right here. So it's got a little weight on it. World Class Bins, Showers of Sparks. So this is just a fountain. There's your Performance. Right, these. One more little big one right here. Animal House. Doesn't weigh very much. Showers of Sparks. Another fountain. And there's your Performance. All right. All right, so what we got so far is this stuff right here, guys. Yeah. All right. Now these things are snappers. Super loud, fun trade, always maker. All right. I was wondering, let's pop this open, guys. See what's in this thing. See if I can cut it open real quick. Let's open this thing. I've seen this in another video, but they didn't open it to check it out. Oh, that's all. Just a bunch of little snaps, huh? Thought maybe it was some whips or something, but whatever. Still fun. Still fun for the little kids. All right. Yeah. All right, and then we got a number 5. Ooh, it weighs a little bit. It's cardboard inside. Cool little shot. guess that's a performance right there. We got these 3mm artillery shells. There's really no, oh, there we go. And they got a couple of pictures right there. 6 pictures, so I'm gonna assume there's only 6 in there of the effects. Yeah. Crack this open. See what's up with it. Down. I need a little funny linen canister stuff there. You know, sometimes these little things hit, man, for being small. You know, they're pretty fun to play with and stuff. You know, a little, you know, enough to, you know, you can kill some time with these before they work out with the big gun. But these little things, they're really packed in. These things are hard, man. Hopefully they perform well when I light them off. A little tube here. Alright, you guys. Alright, you guys. So that will be it right there. That will be what's all in the assortment of the stars and stripes. There you guys have it. Got some hybrids and some fountains. Some snaps. There you go. Alright, you guys. Thanks you guys for watching.